Hey everyone, today I want to do these the chartreuse with the green. And I put, well, when I first bought this they called it lemon, but then I think they changed it to lime or limeade or something like that. So that's the jumbo pencil. So I'm gonna put that chartreuse on the inner half of my eye. So last week, I wanted to take a week of rest, but I think that's just impossible. I did my video on Tuesday because last Monday was Memorial Day, so we went out. Now I'm putting the dark green on the outer part. Well, I believe I took the next day to just finish editing my vid. No, the next day I just rested. That was Wednesday. I just rested. And I might be confused with my days, but no, last Monday I did my video and then I think we went to do groceries and I think I edited the videos the next day. And I just rested completely one day. And then I took the next 2 days to put all my videos on DVD. And so I tried to rest over the weekend because I know that my daughter's coming, and that my two big projects, well, not, things I needed to do, was clean the desk and get those videos on DVD. So now my camera's practically empty, and I'm gonna take this dark brown right here next to the purple, and that's gonna be my crease color. I tried to rest as much as possible over the weekend because Friday, my son, he can drive now, but with his stomach the way it is, he's kind of nervous because sometimes he just keels over in pain. So I drove him to different health places that he needed to go to. So, yeah. I love when that top color picks up the shimmer from the bottom color. But I do hate that my eyes are deep set and that there's no brush. I would probably need a liner brush to do this inner part because it always gets on the bottom here. So I feel like I don't know when I'm gonna get rest because I did take one full day of rest and I tried to rest the weekend. And then this week is the files. Well, today I'm doing the video. I always take a day out for the video. And then we do groceries, and I'm gonna work on the files. And then next week it's clean before my daughter comes. I'm gonna go back into the only highlight color I see in this is this one. So that pretty creamy color. It's so sad that it has these cute little embossments and engravings or embossment, I think it's called, and then once you use it they're gone. I think that is so sad. And knowing me, I'm gonna have to take a weekend to bleach my hair again. You really see how the roots are really coming out. So that's gonna be another day without rest, but I gotta get those files done. And I gotta get this house clean. And for the record, I hate the new system they put up. And not only does it control the door, you can use it to control the air conditioner. And twice the air conditioner turned on when I had it set to off. Twice it didn't tell me that it was on. The app said it's off, but it was on. And I'm really upset. I told my husband, you're gonna have to put in the old, because I'm not paying those electric bills because of that stupid thing. But anyway, just giving you a little update. And so I'm just gonna put black liner mascara, finish my makeup, and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so this is the finished look. I just used this chartreuse color. I forgot they have the names in the back, but they're too small for me to see without my glasses. But I took the chartreuse color and I put it under the eyes. Found my pearlescent pink. It's not exactly pink. It looks like it's like a rose with gold shimmer maybe. And the new one that they did, it's just kind of looks very warm toned, doesn't even look pink. So I put that on, and then of course I put the gold on, and then I put one of my favorite nudes from Milani is Dulce Caramel. And then Nude Touch over that, which is a pretty nude with lots of shimmer, gold shimmer. So that's what I did. And I know someone asked me to review this, and I tried, but like I said, I was really busy. And I'm just gonna be just busy until my daughter comes, and I'm gonna be busy with my daughter. But what I think I'm gonna try to do this week is maybe take 30 minutes and maybe do one eye look, just on one eye, just to test it. So I'm like really sorry I haven't gotten around to reviewing this. It's just that I have been so busy. The only thing I can say real quick about it right now is it feels, now this is the only like really deep deep shimmer, and it feels good. Let me try. Alright, and then I just did this color over here, which I thought was a brown. It's muffin, but it's like a deep burgundy. It does feel kind of powdery. Let me try a lighter shimmer. That feels good, the lighter shimmer. And let's try. And so far I'm impressed with the glitter because it's not a gel like the ones that Wet n Wild do. So just to give you a quick review with that, I guess I'll just do it right now, but I haven't taken swatches. I haven't done any looks. I have so many, I want to do more looks with, with Nautical Nonsense. That's kind of nice. So it feels kind of nice, but the matte ones, although it's pigmented, it did feel kind of powdery, so I'm not sure what kind of staying power it's going to have on the eye. But you put the primers and all of that, base primer. But it feels good, except for the matte ones. That's the only ones I'm a little iffy about because they felt really powdery. But I'm impressed with the glitters, and they made a highlighter and some lip glosses too. I almost bought them, but I'm like, I don't need them. For the Annette 69. But I do want to try it, even if it's just on one eye. I do want to try it and see how it lasts throughout the day. So yeah. Okay, guys, I love you, and I will see you next week. I have to take one day from my video. It makes me feel good. It's fun. So, you know, unless I'm away, I'm out. If I'm home, I need to at least do that video once a week. I was even tempted because I was starting to feel overwhelmed to say, I can't do my video today. I have to get these things done, but it just feels good to play with makeup and all of that. So anyway, so yeah, love you guys. See you next week. Mwah.